capital and small letter. This is capital A. This is small a. A for apple. This is capital B. This is small b. B for bicycle. This is capital C. This is small c. C for camel. This is capital D. This is small d. D for diamond. This is capital E. This is small e. E for elephant. This is capital F. This is small f. F for flower. This is capital G. This is small g. G for grinder. This is capital H. This is small h. H for hand. This is capital I. This is small I. I for ice cream. This is capital J. This is small j. J for juice. This is capital K. This is small k. K for ketchup. This is capital L. This is small l. L for loud. This is capital M. This is small m. M for magnifying glass. This is capital N. This is small n. N for necklace. This is capital O. This is small o. O for orange. This is capital P. This is small p. P for planet. This is capital Q. This is small q. Q for queen bee. This is capital R. This is small r. R for ring. This is capital S. This is small s. S for sunglass. This is capital T. This is small t. T for tea. This is capital U. This is small u. U for uniform. This is capital V. This is small v. V for victory. This is capital W. This is small w. W for walk. This is capital X. This is small x. X for X-ray. This is capital Y. This is small y. Y for yacht. This is capital Z. This is small z. Z for Zebra. Subscribe for more videos.